Black holes are one of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in space. They are places where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. This is why they are called black holes, because they do not emit any light or radiation that we can see. Black holes form when very massive stars reach the end of their life. Normally, stars create energy by fusing atoms in their core. This energy pushes outward and balances the force of gravity pulling inward. But when a star runs out of fuel, gravity wins and the star collapses under its own weight. If the star is massive enough, this collapse continues until the star shrinks into a single point called a singularity. The singularity has infinite density and zero volume, which means all the star's mass is packed into an extremely tiny space. Surrounding the singularity is a boundary called the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return. Once something crosses this boundary, it cannot get out. Not even light can escape the black hole's gravity past this point, which is why the black hole appears completely dark. Black holes come in different sizes. There are small black holes called stellar black holes that form from the collapse of single massive stars. These can be about 10 to 20 times the mass of our sun. There are also much larger black holes called supermassive black holes that exist at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These supermassive black holes can be millions or even billions of times heavier than the sun. Scientists believe they grow by absorbing gas, dust, stars, and even other black holes. Despite their dark nature, black holes can affect their surroundings. For example, when matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits powerful X-rays before crossing the event horizon. This is how astronomers detect black holes in space, by observing this radiation and how stars move around invisible massive objects. Black holes also play an important role in the universe. They influence the formation and behavior of galaxies, and help scientists learn about gravity and the laws of physics in extreme conditions. To summarize, black holes are regions in space where gravity is incredibly strong, created by the collapse of massive stars or the merging of matter. They have a singularity at their center and an event horizon, which traps everything inside. Even though black holes cannot be seen directly, their effects on nearby matter and light help scientists study these extraordinary cosmic objects.